Welcome to the Resolv tutorial. In this video, we will acquire some USR and explore the points program. To get started, visit the Resolv website and connect your EVM wallet there. After a successful connection, you'll be directed to an overview page. In order to start earning points, we'll need to obtain some USRs, the Resolv stablecoins. Go to the Buy and Earn tab. Here, you can swap available stablecoins for USR tokens on the Ethereum network. To do this, simply enter the amount of stablecoins you want to swap and then approve the use of the tokens in your wallet. Once approved, initiate the swap transaction in the wallet. Always pay attention to gas fees on Ethereum to avoid overpaying. After the successful swap, go to the Overview page to see your updated balance. Once you have swapped to USR, you have already begun earning Resolv points. However, is there another way to earn even more of them? Visit the Points tab to find a detailed list of various methods for earning Resolv points. For example, inviting friends can give you 10% of their total earnings. Or, as mentioned earlier, you can earn up to 30 daily points per USR token held. There is a wide range of protocols available that can help you earn extra points. Experiment with these dApps to maximize your daily point income.